What you heard right behind you were the sound of Bofors guns directly targeting the top of Tiger Hills, the prelude to the final assault. Also going on simultaneously are multi-barrel rocket launchers, also attacking the same positions on Tiger Hills. What you see behind you are multi-barrel rocket launchers. They're going to target directly on top of Tiger Hills, and the role they play is to saturate the targets on top of Tiger Hills by dumping a very large amount of explosives onto the targets in a very short duration of time.
25 years ago, when I was not yet 27, I had the honor and the privilege of reporting from the front line, covering the Kargil war that had broken out between India and Pakistan. What was the Kargil war? Some people might be too young today to even remember. In one line, Pakistanis, regulars, and their associates had squatted on Indian territory, sitting on the heights, taking control of mountain peaks during the winter months when the understanding between both countries was that the troops would pull back. Indian soldiers, the Indian army, the Indian military fought a heroic battle to push the Pakistanis back. And that day, every 26th of July, is commemorated as Vijay Divas, the day of victory. I have often called the experience, the privilege of being able to report from the front line as a young woman in her 20s, the most transformative experience of my life. It taught me almost everything I know, not just about journalism, but about life itself. It taught me about courage, about vulnerability, about fear, about fortitude. It taught me about life, about death, and it taught me what it actually means to be a journalist. It was also the beginning of my lifelong association with the Indian military, of which I remain an avid and a passionate admirer.